So we're going to talk about the navigation solutions that we use here in the Grenadier. It's possible to run Apple CarPlay, where you can display, like for example, Gaia, possibly even with satellite imagery. But the primary tool that we use for navigation is the Garmin Tread device. This is an 8-inch screen, so it's big enough where we have good detail and a larger overall operating area, but it's not so big that it really blocks the view for the driver or the passenger. It's on a suction cup mount, so that way you can tilt it towards the driver or towards the passenger. There's a couple different things here. You can put in where you want to go. With Tracks for Africa as the base map, you can actually do turn-by-turn directions here in Africa. That's been helpful if you're trying to navigate to an iOverlander point or to a Tracks for Africa point. So under the Where To, you can access the iOverlander. So you can look for camping, lodging, services, other community items, other categories as well. So there's a lot of really important information that's available right here on the Garmin, and that's our primary tool that we use for navigation. The one item that we also elected to install in the vehicle, mostly for our own record and for a little bit of safety, is a dash cam. It has 2 cameras on it. It points to the inside towards the occupants, and then it also points forward of the vehicle on a wide angle. It records in high definition, and it also has accident detection, so it'll automatically record a clip if some major force hits the vehicle, like we hit a pothole that started it up the other day. But it's constantly running, and it just loops back over on the micro SD card on the inside. There's an app for it that you can use to view the clips and save the clips. And we've used that already to review some of the trails that we were on, and even a close call with a Hilux. So we were able to use that information. And then of course we always have paper maps with us. They're just in the seat back pocket behind the passenger. It's really easy to grab those. It's a great way to start the day or to kind of do some route planning. We've got such good electronic mapping and redundancy that we really haven't needed to use the paper maps, but if for some reason there was to be selective availability for GPS and we were to lose access to GPS, you need to be able to have paper maps with you to get to your next location.